One of the targets of our Learning Touchstone is how staff use technologies to create opportunities for students and to construct and share new learning. The LED nightlight design task and the metal pencil holder, they're two projects that the Year 7s make, and they're semester-long courses that allow us to achieve that target. The teaching and learning is constantly evolving, and we've seen the benefits of this through the introduction of the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. When the students start each project, we get them to begin by drawing their designs on the iPad with the Apple Pencil. Keynote's a really great application for this part of the process too, because it allows students to import a template and to sketch over the top. The Apple Pencil produces a more precise and professional sketch catering for everyone's abilities. Before getting into the workshop, the Apple TV is handy in walking students through the design process from conception to construction. Students also enjoy the use of AirPlay, where they can share their ideas with others.
And if Charlize likes her final design that she has made and I want to see it too, she can airdrop it to me by sending an email or simply screenshotting it and airdropping it, and we can both have the same thing.
Where once upon a time we would have seen students gathering around butcher's paper and pens, we now see them gathering around a device. There are also the collaboration features of all the Apple applications. That makes it easy for students to work together and to share their work amongst one another. So the next stage of the process takes students into the workshop. They use their digital mock-up as a guide for their construction. The versatility of the iPad allows students to bring their devices with them while they're in the building phase into the workshop. After they've created their wooden base and the construction has been formed in the workshop, students move either onto the acrylic aspects, where they will use Illustrator to design their acrylic nightlight, or the metal structure of the pencil holder, so the shape of the man. At this point, students use the College iMacs to access Adobe Illustrator to refine their ideas. This is where students need to put their design thinking skills to work, because they need to consider how the shapes, the lines, the shading, the colours, how they all impact their final designs.
I decided to put curves into mine and then colour it too. And then he also gave us the outline of the acrylic that we also wanted. And then we designed how we wanted that too, so you could leave it square, add stars, love hearts, your name, whatever you wanted. And then you just had to draw that and find your final design and then put it all together in one.
Students continue to be creative at this stage of the process. They reflect on their individual styles through the personalisation of their acrylic shapes. So in the final stages of the projects, students use either a laser cutter to form the acrylic shape, or they head back into the workshop to weld the metal component. The Year 7 Design and Technology projects take students through a process. They create, they make and they evaluate, and it's all enhanced by having access to Apple technology.